Are teaching courses on Coursera actually worth it? And which ones should you choose if you want real teaching skills? In this video, I'll give you a quick review of the best teaching courses on Coursera, so you can decide what's right for you. If you want to explore these courses, I've linked them below so you can compare options and check current offers. Before we start, quick tip. If you plan to take more than one course, Coursera Plus is usually the smarter option. You can access multiple teaching, education, and even AI courses under one plan. So instead of paying for each course separately, you can build a full skill set. I've added the link in the description, and it may also come with a discount depending on current offers. Now let's look at the top courses. One of the most popular options is Arizona State University TESOL by Arizona State University. This program has a very high rating of around 4.9 with over 20,000 reviews. It focuses on teaching English and is ideal if you want to become an online or international teacher. Another strong option is Uncommon Sense Teaching by Deep Teaching Solutions. This course also has a rating of around 4.9 and focuses on how people actually learn. You'll learn practical teaching strategies, student engagement techniques, and learning science. And a more modern pick is Innovative Teaching with ChatGPT by Vanderbilt University. This course has a rating of around 4.8. It shows how to use AI tools like ChatGPT to improve lesson planning and student interaction. Now, let's talk about what you actually learn. These courses cover teaching methods, classroom management, communication, and modern tools like AI in education. Many also include practical exercises so you can apply what you learn. Now here's the smart path. Start with a foundational teaching course. Then move into specialized areas like TESOL, learning science, or AI in education. That's how you build real job-ready skills. And this is where Coursera Plus becomes really powerful. You are not limited to just one course. You can explore different teaching paths, switch topics, and keep learning without paying for each course separately. But let's keep it real. Teaching is a practical skill. You need to practice, apply strategies, and work with real learners. So, are Coursera teaching courses worth it? If you choose the right courses and stay consistent, then yes, they can help you build valuable teaching skills. If you want to explore these courses or check out Coursera Plus, you'll find the link in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and practical guides like this.